get. Whooped up water on my wrist, ain't from my fish. Dipping dab out the bag. I got Chris on that. You want problems for something. Need to get you some racks. She gon' bring it to daddy.
Action. Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm starting brand new and I don't know how I feel about this, but yeah. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me for homecoming, because you know your girl about to be lit. Sign up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what else you would like to see in my channel, and let's get started. Okay y'all, I'm gonna get my hair out the way, so I'm sorry that I'm probably gonna look a mess, but yeah, I need it out of my face so I can start my makeup. I put moisturizer on my face already. I washed my face already, so now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna do my eyeshadow look. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Anastasia. So we're gonna take the dip-in brow. We're just gonna make sure our eyebrows are good to go. Now I just gotta clean it up with like concealer. I'm gonna be using the Nurse concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and it's in the shade Ginger. So I am gonna use this. Just like make it clean, you know. I'm just gonna like blend it down a little bit, just to like, because we're gonna start with my eyeshadow. So yeah, and then take your finger, I take my finger, like my ring finger, and yeah, just like blend it all together. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, I think the eyebrows are good. I'll clean them up and here with like, yeah, they're good to go. Okay, next eyeshadow. We're starting with eyeshadow. We're gonna use my Morphe palette, and we are gonna use, I'll show you guys the shades that I'll be using. I don't really have the name of it, but the first shade that I'm gonna be using is this one right here, and the next shade that I'm gonna be using is the one underneath this one. So you just like wanna like blend it really good. Okay, the next color that I'm using, it's gonna be this one right here, the one all the way down here in the bottom. Okay guys, so the next shade I'm gonna be using is this one right here. It's like kind of darker, so okay, next I'm gonna be using the Sigma blending brush. It is the E25. I love this brush, it's so cute and little. Love it. So my blending shade is gonna be this dark black right over here. It's gonna get better, okay? It's gonna get better. Oh, it looks like I have a black eye. Oh hell no. Now we're gonna do a cut crease because your girl loves to cookie cut crease. Even though I kind of suck at it. Okay, brush and like did my glitter. So what I basically did is I sprayed this onto the brush, and then after that I put this shade in, like where I did the cut crease, and just okay guys, so next thing we're gonna start with our face. What are you laughing about?
I'm not, just looking at you.
I can't even film a video.
Go for it.
You're in the way.
No, I can not big back.
Okay guys, so the next thing is we're gonna use my Super Stay by Maybelline foundation. It's a full coverage one. It's in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm just gonna apply my NARS concealer. I'm running out of this anymore. Brown to her face, and I'm gonna be using this by Benefit. Cause your girl gotta be popping.
Shit.
You're annoying. Face. I'm gonna be applying the Fenty Beauty. That's Molly's, by the way, not mine. Fluffy Wife. It's so pretty.
My face is wet. Is it bad?
How wet is it? Yes. Ooh. Popping. You're already. Straighten my hair, and I'm like Molly's curling it over here, and I'm just gonna straighten it, and like hopefully it comes out nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I just finished straightening my hair. As you can see, it's so shiny, and like yes. I'm gonna show you guys what products I use for my hair to be this shiny. I love it so much. And now I'm just gonna finish with my lipstick. I'm gonna do a red lipstick because I'm doing a black dress. And yeah, I also gotta finish with my eyelashes, and the eyelashes I'm gonna be using is this one's from the House of Lashes, and they are so nice. They were $12, and they are great quality. Like, I love those lashes, and I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys want to like check it out, you know. So yeah.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy.